talk about one that had parts missing.
I saw that sitting there. It looked like it might be the real thing. An old gun.
It is. About 1815 or so. But everything's gone.
Had the flower.
Yeah. Yep. So it's Lancaster, I'm pretty sure.
That's interesting, though, seeing the mortise, how deep that is. That was pretty heavy brass, wasn't it?
Yeah. You see, everything's gone on that thing but shirt guard and the two thimbles, nose cap. So, you know, Willie Boynton, of course.
Oh, yeah.
Willie looked at it, and Willie comes over too, our club. He's in our club. But
so why do you figure all the hardware's gone?
well, when Willie figured somebody's built a rifle, he probably took all the hardware off
Scavenged
of it.
it.
Scavenged it. The lock.
Yeah.
I mean, everything's gone. You know, when the guy brought it over to me, he had this two-piece stock and
Not real big, but really deep.
it's 40. It's really good. It's not as deep back here as it is in the front.
Okay. They filed on it a little bit. They did that a lot.
Tapered.
Yeah, it's tapered a little, make them load easy.
But it's got real good rifling in it.
How long is the barrel? 42 inch?
46. I think.
46.
46. But it's never been.
So are you going to put it back together?
Well, I'm trying to get it. I haven't got it. Ain't mine yet. So I don't know what. I don't know. One guy brought it up here, and the guy never had showed back up. So I don't know whether I'm good enough to restore it. It needs to be in the hands of somebody that can restore it. You know.
It's just bleached out, but that's all intact.
Yeah, I think it is. I don't think it's been fixed. But I stuck that barrel back in, stuck that bolt there so it wouldn't get broke.
Right.
Tied it back together, but it's still got the release for the patch box.
Yeah.
But that's the only thing I know. They took all the hardware off and
Place for his spring.
but it's
for his
been
lid.
done a long time ago. You know, like Willie said, you know, it's late Flint, 1815, 1820.
Yeah, it's a late gun.
Yeah. And this is odd. I finally found one gun that had that. And
That tail on there is not common.
that's really odd.
And really, these two are odd too, are they not?
Yeah. Well, if you look, he used the same.
Yeah,
thing.
used it all the way
He
along
used
here.
oval, and I think this was an oval to start with, and then he's carried that out to there. So pretty interesting old gun, you know.
Real interesting
Stuff
gun.
really interests me.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it interests. That's just interesting as the devil.
Oh yeah.
You just wonder what happened.
Oh, I know.
You know,
if you could just talk. This is like that old blunderbuss. If we could just talk, you know.
Cute how he did that latch, isn't it? Just bent around and insetting that butt.
And this side's not like where you hold it. Mm-hmm. Those had to be out of there a long time for that to wear that much. Mm-hmm. You know, and that's had to been done. What happened there?
Nothing else makes any sense.
Yeah.
But that would make you think it was shot after some of the hardware was stripped.
Well, that's what I mean.
That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
You don't think, as smooth as this, rounded over as this is here, and things, you don't think somebody started thinking about refinishing this.
Maybe they did, you know.
And they got on this and sanded this. Because that would have been sharper.
Yeah.
This would have, looking at the quality of the guy's inletting and
it's
things.
Pretty nice rifle, you know.
Yeah.
There wasn't no carving or
His
anything.
block bolsters would be sharper than they are. Which almost makes me think somebody somewhere along the line got after this gun and
So I better just start over or something.
and then decided to start over.
Yeah.
Is the bore pretty decent?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty. Old Willie showed me how to recut rifling, and if I'd go in there and if I spend 4 or 5 hours on it, I can make a shooter out of it. I think it's pretty good. You know.
I mean, don't look bad out there at the front.
Oh, it's pretty good. I had the barrel and breech plug come out. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's something I wanted to see.
Huh.